I never thought a simple home-cooked meal could defeat a famous chef. It sounds impossible, right? A professional chef with years of experience losing to a normal person cooking in a small kitchen. But this is exactly what happened. And the lesson behind this story is powerful and unforgettable. It all started in a small, quiet town. Life there was simple. People knew each other. And in that town lived a young man who loved cooking. He was not a trained chef. He never went to a cooking school. He did not use expensive tools. He only learned cooking by watching his mother every day in the kitchen. As a child, he stayed close to the kitchen while other kids played outside. He watched how food was made, how spices were mixed, how simple ingredients became something special. People often laughed at him. Why do you spend so much time in the kitchen? But he never stopped. Cooking made him feel alive. As time passed, he got better. He tried new recipes. He made many mistakes. Sometimes food burned. Sometimes it tasted bad. But every mistake taught him something new. Still, people never took him seriously. They saw cooking as just a hobby for him. Even he started to doubt himself. Maybe I am not special. Maybe I can never become something big. Then one day, everything changed. A famous chef announced a cooking competition in their town. This chef was known across the country. He appeared on TV. He owned famous restaurants. People respected his name everywhere. The competition was open for everyone. The winner would get a big prize and a chance to work with top chefs. When the young man heard this, his heart started beating fast. He wanted to join, but fear stopped him. How can I compete with professionals? What if I fail in front of everyone? What if people laugh at me? For days, he stayed confused. One part of him said, try. The other part said, don't. But deep inside, a small voice kept speaking. What if this is your chance? What if you are better than you think? Finally, he made a decision. He joined the competition. The moment he signed up, fear came back strongly. His friends were shocked. Some supported him. Some laughed. Some said he had no chance. The competition day arrived. Hundreds of people came to watch. The hall was full of energy. Professional chefs stood proudly with expensive tools and perfect uniforms. The young man felt small, very small. For a moment, he wanted to leave. His hands were shaking. But then he remembered something his mother once said. Food is not about showing off. It is about love. That sentence stayed in his mind. The competition started. All chefs began cooking fast and confidently. Some made very fancy dishes. Some used modern techniques. The food looked like art. People were impressed. But the young man did something different. He stayed calm. He cooked a simple family recipe. Nothing fancy. Nothing expensive. Just honest food made with care and memory. People watching thought he would lose immediately. How can simple food win? It looked impossible. But something special was happening. When judges started tasting the dishes, everything began to change. Some beautiful dishes looked amazing but had weak taste. Some creative dishes were confusing. Then came his dish. The judges took one bite, then another. Suddenly, they became quiet. No one spoke. The room felt frozen. The young man waited nervously. His heart was beating very fast. He thought he had failed. But then one judge smiled. Another nodded. Then they started asking questions. Who made this? How did you learn this recipe? The young man answered honestly. He talked about his mother. He talked about his childhood. He talked about mistakes and practice. The judges listened carefully. Even the famous chef came forward to try the dish. He took one bite, and everything changed. His expression became serious, then surprised. The food was simple, but it had something powerful. Taste, emotion, and heart. He said nothing for a few seconds. Then he quietly admitted that the food was truly special. The audience could feel the tension breaking. Something unexpected was happening. Hours later, the final result was announced. Everyone was nervous. Professional chefs stood confidently. The young man stood quietly. He expected nothing. He already felt proud just for trying. Then the winner was announced. It was his name. For a moment, he could not believe it. The crowd exploded with applause. People were shocked. The unknown home cook had defeated famous professionals. Even the famous chef shook his hand and smiled. He admitted the truth. The young man had won fairly. That moment changed everything. But the biggest change was inside him. He finally believed in himself. All the years of doubt started disappearing. He understood something important. Confidence does not come from other people. It comes from inside you. After the competition, his life changed quickly. Restaurants called him. People wanted to learn from him. He became known in the food world. But he stayed the same. He still cooked simple food. He still respected his roots. Because he knew success is not about fame. It is about passion and honesty. And more than anything, he knew one truth. Small things can create big results. Sometimes what looks ordinary can become extraordinary. This story is not just about cooking. It is about life. Maybe you also have a dream. Maybe people do not believe in you. Maybe you feel small or weak. But remember this story. A simple home cook defeated a famous chef, not because he was lucky, but because he believed in himself and never gave up. Your talent may also be hidden inside simple things. Do not ignore them. Do not give up on yourself. Because one day, your small effort can become something big. Success does not come from perfection. It comes from passion, practice, and patience. Keep going even when you feel fear. Keep trying even when nobody supports you. Because your moment can come anytime. And when it comes, everything can change. The famous chef lost that day. But the real victory was courage. It was belief. It was passion. And that is something anyone can have. Never forget this lesson. Your story is still starting. And maybe your best moment is still waiting ahead. If you enjoyed this story, keep learning, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch the next video.